Bugatti Tourbillon is not just another hypercar. It represents a completely new chapter for Bugatti after the legendary era of the Bugatti Chiron. Created under the new partnership between Bugatti and Rimac Automobili, the Tourbillon is designed to redefine what a modern hypercar can be. From its breathtaking design to its revolutionary powertrain, this car is built to push engineering, luxury, and performance to an entirely new level. The moment you look at the Tourbillon, it becomes clear that this is not just a successor to previous Bugatti models. It is a complete reinvention of the brand's philosophy. At first glance, the exterior design looks futuristic, yet unmistakably Bugatti. The iconic horseshoe grille remains at the front, instantly reminding you of Bugatti's historic identity. The LED lighting signature forms a dramatic horizontal line that stretches across the front, giving the car a wider and more aggressive stance. Every surface on the body is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, ensuring that airflow moves smoothly around the vehicle even at extreme speeds. The side profile is incredibly sleek, with Bugatti's signature C-line flowing elegantly from the roof down toward the rear section, creating a perfect visual balance between aggression and elegance. Massive air intakes feed cooling air to the powertrain, while the rear of the car features an advanced diffuser and a sophisticated active aerodynamic system designed to maintain stability at ultra-high speeds. But the true revolution of the Tourbillon lies beneath the bodywork. Instead of the famous quad-turbo W16 engine used in the Chiron, Bugatti has developed an entirely new naturally aspirated V16 engine in collaboration with Mate Rimac and the legendary engineering company Cosworth. This 8.3-liter V16 engine alone produces around 1,000 horsepower, delivering an incredible sound and mechanical character that few modern engines can match. But Bugatti didn't stop there. The Tourbillon also features a sophisticated hybrid system with 3 electric motors, 2 at the front axle and 1 at the rear. Together, these motors add roughly 800 horsepower, bringing the total system output to around 1,800 horsepower. This hybrid setup not only boosts performance, but also allows the car to drive in pure electric mode for short distances, adding a level of efficiency and versatility never before seen in a Bugatti hypercar. The performance numbers are nothing short of astonishing. Acceleration is brutally quick, with the Tourbillon expected to reach 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 2 seconds. The combination of the high-revving V16 engine and instant electric torque create a driving experience that is both explosive and incredibly smooth. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, while the sophisticated torque vectoring system distributes power precisely to each wheel for optimal grip and control. Even at extremely high speeds, the car remains stable thanks to active aerodynamics and advanced suspension system that constantly adapts to road conditions. Step inside the cabin and you enter a world that feels more like a high-end watchmaking masterpiece than a traditional car interior. Bugatti wanted the Tourbillon's interior to feel timeless, so instead of relying heavily on digital screens that may become outdated in a few years, the designers created an intricate mechanical instrument cluster inspired by Swiss watchmaking. This stunning centerpiece was developed with the help of luxury watchmakers, featuring over 600 tiny components crafted from materials like titanium, sapphire crystal, and precious metals. The result is a mechanical gauge cluster that is designed to last for hundreds of years, making it one of the most unique interiors ever built in an automobile. A hidden digital display is cleverly integrated into the dashboard and can slide out when needed, giving drivers access to navigation, connectivity, and modern infotainment features. When not in use, the display disappears completely, preserving the timeless and mechanical aesthetic of the interior. The seats are sculpted directly into the carbon fiber chassis to save weight and improve structural rigidity, while the pedals and steering wheel adjust to fit the driver perfectly. Every surface inside the car is covered in the finest materials, including premium leather, polished metal, and handcrafted details that showcase Bugatti's dedication to luxury craftsmanship. The engineering behind the Tourbillon is equally impressive. The car is built on an entirely new lightweight chassis and body structure that incorporates advanced carbon fiber composites. Despite the addition of a hybrid battery system, Bugatti engineers have worked extensively to keep the overall weight as low as possible. The battery pack also provides an electric-only driving range of approximately 60 kilometers, which is remarkable for a hypercar with this level of performance. This hybrid architecture represents Bugatti's vision for the future, combining extreme power with cutting-edge efficiency. Another fascinating aspect of the Tourbillon is its long-term durability philosophy. Bugatti designed many components of the car with the goal of lasting for generations, not just decades. The mechanical instrument cluster, for example, can theoretically function for hundreds of years with proper maintenance. This concept aligns with the car's name, Tourbillon, which is a complex mechanism used in high-end watchmaking to improve accuracy and precision. Production of the Bugatti Tourbillon will be extremely limited, with only 250 units planned worldwide. Each car will be highly customizable, allowing owners to choose unique materials, colors, and finishes that make their vehicle truly one of a kind. With a starting price of around 3.8 million euros before customization, the Tourbillon is clearly aimed at collectors who want not just a car, but a piece of automotive history. Ultimately, the Bugatti Tourbillon is more than just the next Bugatti hypercar. It represents the perfect blend of traditional mechanical artistry and cutting-edge technology. By combining a naturally aspirated V16 engine, a powerful hybrid system, timeless interior design, and breathtaking craftsmanship, Bugatti has created a machine that celebrates the past while embracing the future. It's a hypercar designed not only for speed and performance, but also for legacy, ensuring that the spirit of Bugatti continues to inspire generations of automotive enthusiasts